Washington, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters around Sheboygan to Port Washington, nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Sheboygan, Wisconsin to North Port Light, Wisconsin, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Cleveland to near North Point Lighthouse. Moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. A waterspout is possible about 13 miles east to southeast of Grafton, moving to the east to southeast. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal